I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life is plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me every way. Imagination, life is your creation. Come on, oh, sorry about that. I didn't know it was recording. So basically, I got this Barbie car used, and I'm going to wash it so I can create my own personal bass car. I don't know if you know what a bass car is, but a bass car is a car with massive subwoofers, and the subwoofers are so powerful it vibrates the car apart. I don't know if you have seen these cars driving around, but let me tell you, when they drive around, you can even feel your house windows shaking. Anyway, so I'm going to be using this car. I'm going to cut a nice hole so I can add this beautiful subwoofer. And then I'm going to use electrical tape to cover all the air leaks to make sure that there's no air leaks. And the electrical tape will allow me to direct the air in the direction I want. And then once I have covered all the air leaks, I can install the subwoofer, and then I add my two Barbies, and it would be ready for testing. Okay, let's continue with the build. Imagination, give is your creation. Woo! When my beats go crazy. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.